Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Sony Xperia Pro I. Firstly, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here we got block numbers, and how you can see on the bottom we got 2 block numbers. So for unblocking, for example, this last number, click here on the right side on the cross. Unblock this number, confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time, and that's it. Maybe let's try again. This number, tap here, and confirm operation, unblock this number, tap unblock, and we unblocked this number too. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.